Hello again, another episode, another week, and we're reviewing grocery stores, Momofuku and Goldbelly. Why those? Because they look very cool. They have awesome examples of collection pages, product details pages that everyone can learn off and use as an example. Let's start with the Momofuku. So overall, they are running multiple restaurants and their website looks gorgeous. But what else they have is an additional business where they selling noodles, they selling sauces, and I cannot actually go through this website without being hungry right now. Let's go and review their online store. So it is sitting on a separate domain, shop.momofuku.com, and it have a very colorful design. They have main menu that is showing various images as well, and essentially allowing to navigate through the categories as well as click shop all. So when I'm clicking shop all, it is showing all the categories, all the collections of the store on the same page and giving a cool looking overview with those fancy looking headers in form of a grid of products, and everything is super gorgeous. So let's take a look on a specific hot sauce product details page. What I like visually about this online store is that their photos of a product are very thought through, and it is a masterpiece of photography and essentially cool looking idea about having a carousel with the photos with an overlay of a buy box. So we can essentially have a single jar or opt in for the 4-pack. As well, we can bring the drop down with the flavor choice, and that will drop us on a separate dedicated product details page essentially. But if we go with the specific choice, we can settle, and next step is we can go through the taste notes. When I scrolled, immediately we have this add to cart button being sticky on the bottom, and they have this cool upsell that increase the average order value by offering the customer an option to purchase the variety pack. So they showing here chili crunch sampler, and we can add it as well. There is some sort of a glitch here on their store that does not allow this product to be added, but probably they can fix it. And if we click add to cart, the sidebar cart looks also very cool because it's offering a whole bunch of upsells, and we can add additional items. Each thumbnail of a product is a masterpiece here. Scrolling further, the PDP showing yummy photos of the product being used in a various settings, fries, even ice cream. Everything is bold and great looking. We have a about us section with the David Chang. He is a master chef and the founder of this brand. Traditional thing here is that they sort of offering a various really great looking recipes, and a very bottom of the page is related products and obviously a customer reviews. Everyone is super excited about the product. Classic stuff like subscribe for the newsletter, and basically a footer here. They have classic things for the manufacturers like wholesale, and this is a redirect to the Fair marketplace. This marketplace contains various CPG brands that offer their products for brick and mortar stores to sell to their end customers. Blog section is called recipes, and this design looks very cool. They have tabbed content, blog posts, and everything is dedicated to the recipes. They have also the noodle offering, and the variety pack is having its own dedicated product details page. It looks similar to what the sauce product details page looks like. So that's would be pretty much it, and we can switch to the Goldbelly. So here we have Goldbelly. It is a marketplace of sorts of various products. So you can have here everything from cakes and pastries through caviar, through the seafood and deep dish pizza that looks awesome actually. And this is a large, high number SKUs online store that offer products from different sellers. So let's say we're in a dedicated collection right now. It's called New Year's Eve 2026. And here we have thumbnails of products and we can see who is the seller. So this is Gramercy Tavern and they have 2 products listed on this marketplace. So this is the concept of the Goldbelly. Various restaurants or brands can list their product on this marketplace. So now we are on the product details page, and this is a setup. It's probably a gift box, Taste of Teen Gourmet gift box by Teen Building by Jean Georges from New York. And we can see the profile of this chef, and he is offering here. So each one have its own sort of a store, and they have a gallery of the images. They're not possible to be zoomed in. We can choose the quantity. We can send it to the multiple persons, which is a cool feature for sending gifts. And another option is just add it to the cart. So we have a sidebar cart here, and it is apparently powered by Shopify. We have the Shop Pay here. So let's explore the product details page. So we have the description, some details, ingredients, and they look very rich. The bottom of the product details page is the About Us section on the seller, and an additional recommended products like related really cool items that could be purchased together. And what is interesting, they have their own badges like Safe Ship Guaranteed and multiple reviews, but it basically giving ability to have a sneak peek and ability to proceed and read more and more reviews as well. Below they have offering of the specific curated collections, and some of the product details page apparently could have videos, and those videos looks gorgeous, to be honest. Those are the ways how Goldbelly is excel. They really using bold colors. It's a ton of pages, supporting pages. We can go and shop by collection, and you can tell how much of those collections they have. So we can go into frozen treats and see what's going on in terms of the ice cream and stuff like that. We can go through the meal kits, and this is a dedicated collection. We can go through the restaurants and chefs. Let's take a look on the main page, because on the main page they have a carousel of the chefs they collaborating with, who listed their dishes, who listed their masterpiece products on the platform. And you can take a look on the profile of each of those chefs and the actual listings they added to the marketplace. It's a great example how something could look awesome and be a marketplace. So please stay tuned and subscribe for the next week insights.